Have you ever wondered about the true giants of the snake world? Imagine a creature so long it could stretch across a room, and so powerful it could squeeze with incredible force. We're talking about real-life titans, the anaconda and the python. These two snakes are the undisputed heavyweights of the reptile kingdom. People often get them confused, but they are very different animals, living in separate parts of the world. Each is a master of its environment, with unique skills and adaptations. Today, we're diving deep into their worlds to uncover what makes an anaconda and what makes a python. On one side, the green anaconda from the swamps of South America, a true water king. On the other, the reticulated python from the jungles of Southeast Asia, a master of length and stealth. Both are apex predators, relying on pure muscle power to overcome their prey. We'll explore their incredible size, bone-crushing strength, and how they move with surprising grace. How do they hunt? What do they eat? What special features make them so successful? And of course, the ultimate question, if these two giants ever met, who would come out on top? Get ready to be amazed as we go beyond the myths and straight to the facts. This is the ultimate showdown between two reptilian titans. It's the anaconda versus the python, and it's going to be an epic journey. Let's get started and meet these incredible animals up close. When it comes to big snakes, size is everything. The reticulated python is the longest snake in the world, sometimes reaching nearly 30 feet, longer than a school bus. Built like a powerful rope, its length gives it amazing reach when striking at prey. The green anaconda, meanwhile, is the heaviest snake on the planet. While it may not match the python in length, it makes up for it in sheer bulk. A big anaconda can be as thick as a grown man's torso and weigh over 500 pounds. Think of the python as a long, lean boxer, and the anaconda as a super heavyweight wrestler. The python holds the record for length, but the anaconda is unmatched in mass and muscle. This difference in body shape is directly related to their lifestyles. The python's long, agile body is perfect for climbing and moving through dense jungle. The anaconda's heavy build is supported by water, making it a formidable aquatic predator. So, which is bigger? For length of life, the python wins. For weight and power, the anaconda takes the crown. This fundamental difference sets the stage for how they hunt and fight. The python's reach and agility versus the anaconda's raw power. Each is a giant in its own right. Their physical builds are the first clue to understanding their unique strengths. It's a classic matchup: length against girth, agility against brute force. These differences shape everything about their lives. And it's only the beginning of their story. What makes these snakes so legendary? Their strength. Both are constrictors, using powerful bodies to squeeze prey instead of venom. When they strike, they wrap muscular coils around their victim. It's not just about crushing lungs. Recent science shows they stop blood flow, causing almost instant unconsciousness. A large python or anaconda can exert at least 10 to 12 pounds per square inch, enough to stop a heart in seconds. The anaconda's massive size gives it a clear advantage in raw power. Its coils are thicker and packed with muscle. A 500-pound anaconda can generate more force than a python of the same length, but the python's length lets it throw more coils around prey, wrapping up animals with speed and precision. So, while an anaconda's single coil is stronger, a python can use its reach to apply pressure over a wider area. Both are masters of constriction, but their techniques differ. The anaconda is built for overpowering large, strong prey. The python uses speed and reach to subdue its victims. Each snake's method is a perfect match for its body and environment. That's what makes them such formidable hunters. Movement is survival for these giants. The green anaconda is a true water serpent, spending most of its life in or near water. Its eyes and nostrils sit atop its head, letting it see and breathe while hidden below the surface. In water, the anaconda is graceful and fast, its heavy body perfectly supported by buoyancy. On land, though, its immense weight makes it slow and clumsy. The reticulated python, in contrast, is a master of land and trees. Its long, slender body is built for agility, letting it move quickly and stealthily across the jungle floor. It's an expert climber, able to hunt birds and monkeys high in the canopy. The python is also a capable swimmer, but not as specialized for water as the anaconda. It swims on the surface, lacking the anaconda's adaptations for lurking below. So, the anaconda rules the water, while the python dominates land and trees. Each snake's movement style is a perfect fit for its world. Water is the anaconda's element. Land and trees belong to the python. Their environments shape how they hunt, escape, and survive. It's a split that defines their rivalry, and it's key to understanding who would win in a fight. Beyond size and strength, these snakes have incredible hunting tools. Their jaws aren't unhinged, but split into two pieces connected by a flexible ligament, letting them open wide and swallow prey much larger than their heads. Both have rows of sharp, backward-pointing teeth, perfect for gripping, not chewing. The more prey struggles, the deeper the teeth dig in, holding it tight for constriction. Their senses are just as impressive. They flick their forked tongues to pick up scent particles, then use a special organ in the roof of their mouth to smell their surroundings. This gives them a detailed scent map, helping them track prey with amazing accuracy. Pythons have an extra edge, heat-sensing pits along their jaws. These pits detect tiny changes in temperature, letting pythons see the body heat of warm-blooded animals, even in total darkness. Anacondas lack these pits, relying more on smell and detecting vibrations in the water. Each snake's senses are perfectly tuned to its environment. The python's thermal vision is ideal for hunting at night. The anaconda's adaptations make it a master of murky waters. Their hunting tools are as specialized as their bodies. To understand these snakes, look at where they live. The green anaconda rules South America's slow-moving rivers, swamps, and flooded grasslands. Its dark green skin with black blotches is perfect camouflage in murky water. The anaconda's diet is diverse: capybaras, deer, wild pigs, even caimans. It's an apex predator, feared by almost everything in its domain. The reticulated python lives in Southeast Asia's rainforests, woodlands, and grasslands. Its beautiful, net-like pattern provides camouflage on the forest floor. The python preys on mammals and birds, pigs, deer, goats, and sometimes monkeys. It's notorious for living near humans, occasionally preying on livestock and pets. Its climbing ability lets it hunt in the canopy, as well as on the ground. Both are ambush predators, but the anaconda waits at the water's edge, while the python sets up in the forest or trees. Their habitats shape their diets, hunting styles, and even their bodies. Each is perfectly adapted to its world. So, if an anaconda and a python faced off, who would win? In pure strength, the anaconda dominates. Its massive muscular body delivers unmatched constriction power. That's how it takes down prey as tough as caimans. But on land, the python's speed and agility are major advantages. Its longer body lets it strike from a distance and wrap up prey quickly. The first to establish a dominant hold often wins, and the python's quickness could give it that edge. It's a classic trade-off. The anaconda is a fortress of muscle. The python, a master of speed and reach. Which matters more, raw power or agility? The answer depends on the battlefield. Each snake's strengths are perfectly matched to its environment. The outcome is never simple. So, who takes the crown? On dry land, the reticulated python's speed and reach give it the upper hand. It could strike first, wrap up the anaconda, and use agility to control the fight. But in water, the tables turn. The anaconda's weight becomes an asset, making it fast and powerful in its element. It could ambush the python, using its bulk to overwhelm and pull it underwater. The python, out of its element, would be at a severe disadvantage, so the winner depends on the arena. But if we must choose, the green anaconda's raw power and dominance in its environment give it the ultimate edge. In the water, it reigns supreme. The king of constrictors keeps its crown. As we wrap up this epic showdown, remember, these are not monsters, but magnificent animals. Both are vital to their ecosystems, controlling animal populations as apex predators. Yet, their greatest threat isn't each other, but habitat loss and human activity. Forests and swamps are disappearing, and so are their homes and prey. Their survival depends on our ability to protect wild places. The true battle is not anaconda versus python, but these ancient giants versus a changing world. Let's ensure these kings of the constrictors thrive for generations to come. Their future is in our hands.